One of the frequently asked questions is, how long is a coilover shock going to last? And one of the biggest factors is, how is it being used and how often is it being used? So a car that has coilover shocks and is driven frequently is going to last a lot longer than a car that just sits. When a car sits, a lot of times what will happen is the seals will dry out because of lack of use. Whereas a car that's driven every day, the shocks are going to stay lubricated and they're going to last a lot longer. Another thing to note is the manufacturer of the shock. So the old saying, you get what you pay for. If you buy something that's very inexpensive, it probably is too good to be true. And you're probably going to have to replace it a couple of times versus a high quality product that'll last a lifetime. I may be a little biased because I work for Aldan American, but I really like the Aldan American coilover product. We've been manufacturing coilovers since 1981, so we've been doing it for quite a while. It is made in America. We build them right here in-house. They can be rebuilt. And as we say, buy the shock once and it'll last a lifetime. If you're looking for a high-quality American-made coilover, check us out at aldanamerican.com. We have a lot of direct fit applications for like Chevelles and Mustangs. We also have universals. The shortest shock we make is 11 inches. The longest is 23 3/4. So we have a lot of variety, single adjustable, double adjustable. Give us a call. Let us help you choose the right shock for your application.